Hi. We are unfortunately one of those firms who didn't pay a lot of attention to SEO for a good period of almost 2 years, and from that, it is going to be very difficult to measure what we've lost in those 2 years. I think internally speaking, whether it be my leaders, myself, my team, all of us who came together to try and do SEO together and find the right partner was a very good decision. Um, we went into the market to look very briefly to look for people who could partner with us on SEO, and one of the names that came back is GYM. We are very happy to be working with them. The most unique thing about their approach has been to continuously educate the client at every step of the way, and not treat the client as somebody who wouldn't understand the business, who wouldn't understand every step of the way, and that has been a very refreshing approach, whether it be on something as technical as the internet or any place across. Results so far, it's just the first 3 months. We've not set very high expectations thanks to the people at GBIM. The reason for that is they wanted for us to kind of witness the growth, our own growth firsthand, and not set high expectations and maybe not measure up to those expectations. But I can comfortably say on behalf of Rustomji that we are very pleased with what has happened so far, and we hope in the remainder of this relationship will be very beneficial to both parties. Um, there is no end result, I believe, to SEO. SEO is a daily, monthly, weekly, strategic endeavor, and that everybody in today's day and age should continuously focus on. And last but not least, I wish GBIM all the very best in their future endeavors. Thank you.